Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. You must read and agree with this before you start. Where is the pain? Can you show me with one finger?
This is
Oh, this upper back, right? Over here. See, after playing golf, and you suffer with how long have you had it?
2 months.
2 months. Have you had any treatment? Not yet. You're waiting for me, is it? Okay. Now, as in here, right? Oh, over here. Not on here. The reason I want to touch it because I can't really see it. So I'll go touch it, and it's on here. How about here? That's close to scapula, and that is what? Bladder meridian. And no pain in here, which is nothing and what we want to go and touch the patient's body and find out what meridian is that. So now you go. Alright. Over here, right? Okay, I'll let you choose. Do you want me to needle your lung meridian or small intestine meridian? You choose.
Lung meridian.
Lung meridian, okay? Over there. So you want me to choose on right side? Do you want me to needle on right side or left side?
Right side.
Right side, okay. So you don't really ask the patient, why? Because we're practicing, we can play around, right? Alright. Let's go with thumb. Over here.
left side.
So another way you needle the patient, because I found it in my clinic, if they just go, it's painful, and then you go, and then you don't know which one again. So you can put your hand in here. So tell me which one's more sensitive. You say 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, right? Let's start from here. Sorry.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Now, but I started from here. 1. So when I come back, I know where it is. So I know 1, 2, and 3, right? Here you go. So I got the point. I won't miss my point. You get me?
Yes.
Yeah. This is how the step that I normally use. So needle. Ooh, try it.
You're using system 2 there, huh?
Yes.
Oh, gone.
It's gone. That's great. Then how much do you want to charge? How much do you want to pay for? How much do you want to pay for it? It's free. Okay, that's good. Gone, you see? There's 2 needles in there. Right? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.